Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about the Cocomango plant. So it is a multi-harvest prismatic crop. It was released in the fairy event, but it's still available for you to purchase in the friendship shop for 7 garden coins. I think I planted 4 of these using the sprinkler method. If you don't know what it is, I just stacked each sprinkler, and as you can see, yeah, you can see for yourself here. So I'm just going to collect one of this. Okay, it's not even the big one that I collected. What did I even collect here? Oh, never mind. It's also pretty big. This is one of the cocoa mangoes that I planted, and if I sell this, okay, before I sell this, the price floor value is 160,000 shekels and the average is 180,000. If I sell this, it is 5 million shekels because of the weight, because like the price floor weight is 14 kilograms. That was around 80 kilos. So yeah, I'm just going to let this be there. I'm not going to harvest it, and I'm just going to add some mutations, and hopefully I can sell it for a lot. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.